guys, we'll get started. We got all 2019 tonight. We got 2019 Panini Prism draft picks. We got 2019 playbook. We got 2019 Unparalleled. And we got 2019 Donruss and 2019 Prestige. We'll just start with the Prestige. Yeah, I hear you, Daniel. I seen that. So Daniel, who you looking for on the Rams, man? Calais Campbell, Sam Darnold, we got Oliver Vernon, Leighton Vander Esch, John Brown, got Cameron Hayward, got a powerhouse, Luke Kalicki, and Tyree Jackson for the Bills. Von Miller, Quandre Diggs, we got Baker, Miles Jack, we got Aaron Donald, Malcolm Butler, we got extra points of Jimmy Graham for the Packers, and a DK Metcalf. He started out strong this year. He's just an all-around Rams fan, huh? It's any player. DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. And we got a kid reporter. We got Bobby Wagner, Xavier Howard, Kyle Rudolph, Devonta Freeman, James Devlin. We got Tyler Lockett, got DeAndre Hopkins, Prestigious Pros, and Greedy Williams for the Browns. Cameron Brate, we got Bradley McDougall, Khalil Mack, Tariq Cohen, Zay Jones, Jarvis Landry. We got extra points, Drew Brees, and we got Byron Murphy. Byron Murphy for the Cardinals. We got Justin Houston, Derek Carr. We got Adam Thielen, George Kittle, Devontae Adams, Deion Lewis, and there we go, Patrick Mahomes, banner season, and Montez Sweat rookie card for the Washington football team. Good deal, Daniel. Yeah, I like seeing them all myself. Did the Rams win this last weekend? I know they beat the Cowboys the first week. Did they win this last weekend? Oh, I'm opening up wrong packages here. Sorry, guys. I grabbed one of my legacy packs. Talking too much. Jordan Thomas, AJ Green, Juju Schuster, Darius Leonard, Taylor Lewan, Terrell Suggs. We got an old school for the Steelers, Mike Wagner, and Taylor Rapp for the Rams. Guys, since I opened this 2020 Legacy, I'm going to go ahead and give this to y'all. We'll mix it in right here right quick. Derwin James, Jameson Crowder, Darius Smith, DeAndre Hopkins. We got a rookie with Jonathan Taylor. That's out of 50. Get this in the sleeve. So who had the Colts tonight? Corey, you just got an extra bonus, man, out of 50. And we got Devin Hester. And we got Donovan People-Jones and Harrison Bryant. I'll go ahead and put both of those in sleeves. Yeah, that's a nice pickup, Corey. Jonathan Taylor, man, he's an awesome rookie. I tell you, my screw up's your reward. Alright guys, I'm gonna move these out of the way where I don't grab any more. Alright, let's get back to it. Got Jordan Reed, Nyheim Hines, Marcus Mariota. We got Devin McCourty, Uchenna Nwosu. And for the Bengals, we got Joe Mixon patch. Yeah, I hope I don't do it again. You never know. And we got Cam Newton on highlight reel and Mike Weber for the Cowboys. We got Anthony Miller, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Christian McCaffrey, Matt Ryan. We got Lamar, Marshawn Lattimore. Got Melvin Gordon on the powerhouse. And we got Rashawn Gary for the Packers. All right, 2019 Donruss. All right, Mark Ingram, Melvin Gordon. We got Matt Ryan. We got Baker again. Big Ben, DeMarcus Lawrence. We got Philip Lindsay. And our rookie's going to be Lonnie Johnson Jr. for the Texans. And Kid Reporter. Anthony Munoz, Kiko Alonso. We got a Tom Brady, Larry Fitzgerald, Eli Manning, got Matthew Stafford, and we got Devin Singletary for the Bills on the canvas, and Brian Burns. Devin Singletary. and Tom Brady. Got Gerald McCoy, Marlon Mack, Adrian Peterson, got Brett Favre, Frank Clark, Jordan Reed, and we got a red parallel of Xavier Howard for the Dolphins, and Danny Dimes, who has the Giants tonight. That'd be Dale. Danny Dimes. And Kid Reporter. We got Garyon Conley, Jarrell Casey, Leonard Fournette, Amari Cooper, Bobby Wagner, Devontae Adams, Jared Davis, and Myles Gaskin for the Dolphins. Got Mike Williams, Calvin Ridley, Aaron Donald, Saquon Barkley. We got Nick Chubb. We got Juju, Jimmy G, and Jonathan Abram for the Raiders. Xavier Howard. We got John Brown, Kirk Cousins, another Patty Mahomes. We got David Johnson, Allen Robinson. Got a Cardinals guard, and Gary Jennings Jr. for the Seahawks. Second, Patrick Mahomes. Got Peyton Barber, Eric Ebron, Drew Brees. We got Jarvis Landry, Sterling Shepard, Christian Kirk, George Kittle, and Mike Edwards for the Bucks. Got Kevin Byard, Mark Brunell, Steve Largent, Leighton Vander Esch. We got James Conner, C.J. Mosley, and for the Panthers, we got DJ Moore patch, Donruss Threads. And Rocky Sin for the Colts. We got Austin Hopper, Robert Woods, Jim Kelly. We got Travis Kelce, Tyrann Mathieu, Jimmy Graham. We got Von Miller. And we got Damian Harris for the Patriots, rated rookie. And Kid Reporter. We got LaShawn McCoy, Keenan Allen, Evan Ingram, Antoine Bethia, Dalvin Cook, Darren Lee, and we got Andrew Luck, Dominators for the Colts, and DeAndre Walker. Got Quentin Nelson, Michael Thomas, Dan Marino. We got Jalen Smith, Vance McDonald, Myles Garrett, Emmanuel Sanders, and Jelani Tavai for the Lions. Alright guys, we'll do the Panini Prism. Yeah, Steve Largent was pretty good back in the day. We got Leonard Fournette, Odell Beckham, got Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. She's going to Zach. Got Baker Mayfield and Terry Bradshaw. Lamar Jackson. We got Sony Michel, Todd Gurley. Got a parallel. That's a nice one of Barry Sanders. Royce Freeman and Bucky Badger. So anybody need any mascots? If you want one of these mascots, just let me know and I'll put them in with your cards. That's a nice one. Barry Sanders. Alright, we got Herschel Walker. Got Peyton Manning. Oh, there's another nice one. Crusade. Daniel Jones. Le'Veon Bell and John Elway. That's a nice one for the Giants. Daniel Jones. You got Amari Cooper, Brett Favre. And we got auto of I-Man Marshall. And it looks like he's going to the Ravens. Alright, we got Rashad Penny and Cam Newton. Another mascot, LSU. Got Jerry Rice. Got a Crusade, Hakeem Butler. Got AJ Green and Philip Lindsay. Let's see on Gurley. On these are 2019, so it would let me look here. It would go to the Rams. Chris, you want all the mascots? We've got two of them so far. Little Lamar Jackson, All-Americans there. Baker Mayfield, got Deshaun. We got Emmitt Smith and we got Julio. Baker Mayfield. And Lamar Jackson. Alright guys, playbook. Let's see, Chris. Okay, Chris Dorsey. Put that with the Redskins. got Marcus Mariota. Got a parallel of Miles Sanders, rookie for the Eagles. We got play action, Drew Lock. That's a nice card for the Broncos. Got Jordan Scarlett and Deontay Johnson for the Steelers. It's a nice Drew Lock play action. And a green of Miles Sanders for the Eagles. Got Tevin Coleman. And we got an auto for the Cardinals of Zach Allen. Oh, it's for Cardinals. Alright. Zach Allen for the Cardinals. Got Devin Singletary, zoning commission. Got Chase Winovich for the Patriots. And Terry McLaurin for the Washington football team. Sure I say it right. We got Von Miller. We got a purple of Drew Brees. We got X's and O, Alshon Jeffrey, Tyree Jackson, and Montez Sweat. All right, purple Drew Brees for the Saints. All right, we got Kenyon Drake, got Dalvin Cook, got Joey Bosa on the blitz, Travion Williams, and Gary Jennings Jr. There it goes. Do the Unparalleled. This will be our last box. Get this in the screen here. Alright, we got Lawrence Guy, Angelo Blackson, we got Cameron Canaday, got John Riggins, Pioneers, we got Benny Snell Jr., got Aaron Donald, Michael Thomas, and Robert Tonyan. Alright, Benny Snell for the Steelers. We got Melvin Gordon, Odell Beckham, got Keith Ford, and we got a Rock Usin, not numbered. Got Riley Ridley, got Alex Armall, Jordan Howard, and George Kittle. We got Anthony Ferkser, Kenyon Drake, We got Tyrell Williams. We got Stephon Diggs. Parallel. Got McCole Hardman. We got Devontae Adams, DJ Moore, and Leonard Floyd. Cole Hardman for the Chiefs. Tyler Boyd. We got Derrick Henry, Kyle Van Noy. A nice one. Pioneers of Danny White for the Cowboys. We got Will Greer. We got Zane Gonzalez, Case Keenum, and Cooper Kupp. All right, Will Greer for the Panthers. Be coming up on our auto pretty soon. Peter Colombier, Mike Hilton, Phillip Rivers, and our auto is going to be Anthony Johnson for the Bucks. That's going to Anthony. Anthony Johnson. And we got John Arcia. We got Alvin Kamara, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, and Chris Manhertz. We got Nick Chubb, Robert Foster, Javon Brown. We got Mike Hilton. On the parallel, we got Byron Murphy. Carson Wentz. We got Jason Witten and Tedrick Thompson. Oops, sorry guys. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Antonio Brown. Got River Craft. Tyrell Williams. Rookie card for the Raiders. Clayton Thorson. And we got Drew Brees, Aaron Jones, and Christian McCaffrey. All right, guys, we'll do a recap. All right, we got Danny Dimes, got Will Greer, Cole Hardman, got Benny Snell Jr., we got Drew Brees, purple, Terry McLaurin, we got Lamar Jackson, Miles Sanders, green, got Drew Lock, play action, Lamar Jackson on the Prism, Baker Mayfield, got a Crusade, Hakeem Butler. We got a patch, DJ Moore, another patch, Joe Mixon. Got Barry Sanders on the parallel, DK Metcalf, Andrew Luck, Dominators. Patrick Mahomes, banner season, Patrick Mahomes on Don Russ. And we got Donovan People-Jones, rookie. Tom Brady, Devin Singletary, Brady rookie canvas. Got Harrison Bryant. Got Danny Dimes, auto, Anthony Johnson. We got Zach Allen, auto. Got Iman Marshall, auto. And that's probably the best card of the night, Jonathan Taylor. And that's 39 out of 50. Nice card. All right, guys, that's all I got for tonight, man. We're off tomorrow, but we'll be back Friday night for another one. Hope to see you then. Thanks.